Algebra Word Problems number 17, write solve batting average equation. This is a sports formula. I thought we'd get away from the real serious inverse operations and have a little fun with some batting averages. Baseball fans use many formulas to compare how well their teams or players are doing, and here's one example. The formula is X equals H over T. X stands for the batting average, H is how many hits they got, and T is how many times they went up to bat. And if you plug their information into this, you'll be able to find the batting average, even for somebody on a little league team like your brother, or your cousin, or your friend, or yourself. All right, so let's do this. In one season, Rod Carew made 188 hits in 564 times at bat. What was his batting average? Well, we substitute the numbers from the word problem into the correct place in the formula and we solve it. He had 188 hits, so the numerator is the hits, so we put the 188 here. The times at bat is the denominator, so we put that here. And we remember that fractions are little division problems. So we have 188 divided by 564. We put the 188 on the inside as the dividend and the 564 on the outside as the divisor. But wait, there's only 3 digits. All right, so we're going to add a decimal point and some zeros to do this because batting averages are decimals. Did you know that? There's a decimal right in front of all these batting averages. So it's going to be a 3-digit decimal number, okay? So I did my division, and I had to drop my zeros wherever I could. And because it's a 3-digit number, I came up with 333 as the batting average, see? And it's just going to repeat itself because I got 188 and dropped a 0, and I got 188 and dropped a 0, and I got 188, and I'd end up dropping another 0. So I knew his batting average was 333, see? I did a little math on the side to help me, but now I have Rod Carew's batting average for that season. So now check this out. In 1923, Babe Ruth made 205 hits in 522 times at bat. What was his batting average that year? This was Babe Ruth's best year. So here's our formula again. He was 205 times that he got hits, okay? So that's the numerator, the hits, see? And the denominator is the times at bat. So we put that down here, T, for times at bat. And when we do this math, it's going to equal his batting average. So I did the division, and I had to add zeros in order to do the division because 522 wouldn't go into 205, but it would go into 2050 if I added the decimal place, see? And the 0. I did all this math, and it kept repeating and repeating, but I knew batting averages are 3 digits, so I don't have to go any farther than this. I needed to do a 4th one to know what to round the 3rd one to, because the 7 is so big and it's 5 or bigger. You remember our rule? When we round numbers, if the number is a 5 or bigger, then we go up to the next number, okay? So this 7 is telling the 2 to become a 3. So his batting average in 1923 was a 393. That's almost perfect, right? So now you can figure out batting averages for people in your family or for little league teams or for your favorite baseball players, okay? I'll see you next video. We're going to show you how to do your bowling average. Bye.